I've heard a lot of people talk about how long it takes and how hard it is to ship a turntable. For me, I've done quite a few of them, but honestly, I've always had pretty good luck. I'll show you the way that I do it. The first thing is just pop out the platter. Normally I would take off the counterbalance, but you can't really take it off. Sort of tie down the tone arm with a rubber band or get this dust shield right out of the way. Cool. So if I couldn't take out that platter, because sometimes the platter doesn't really come out, I would just put shrink wrap around the whole entire thing. Take a piece of bubble wrap, and I'm just going to tent that whole tone arm. The stylus and nothing else really gets damaged. So something that I just figured out to do on my own, but I've done ever since I shipped the first one, was I like to saw this little cavity in the packing and this should, hopefully, the whole goal of this is to stop it from opening or anything like that. Boom, easy, done. Put our platter in there. Bubble wrap's cheap. All the packing supplies are really cheap, so it doesn't make sense to cheap out on them. Now the biggest thing is having the right size box. So I actually stock these boxes. Our platter is going to go in there first. We'll put some paper and then we'll put this in here. A little bit bulging from all the packing paper, but nothing's rattling around in there. Yeah, so that was about 15 minutes, and that's with me not having everything right at my fingertips. So I'll just buy insurance too. I'm gonna put a bunch of fragile stickers on it as well, take some photographs, and it'll be ready to go. So the strangest thing happened, and it's just so ironic that I made a video out of this, because that lady that I sent that turntable to forgot to include her apartment number. So the post office there was super unaccommodating, and they just returned it to sender. She went there the day it was supposed to get there and was like, hey, can you guys just hold it there? They said, no, we're sending it back. This is like the ultimate test. I'm going to open it up right now on camera because it went all the way to Florida and back, all the way across the country and back. You really couldn't get a better test. Box got beat up a little bit, but not terrible. She's going to buy it again. The way I handled this was I told her I refund everything except for initial shipping, so she's not to pay to ship it twice. Then I'll relist it and she can buy it again if she wants to. She said she does want to. Dust cover all. Looks like it's in good shape. It looks exactly like how I sent it. No cracks. You know, I would open this up more, but I really don't want to repack it. I don't know if you can see. The tone arm is all still tied down. It won't move at all. That's an effective way to ship a turntable.